Negative sentences. Hello children, we have already learned about sentences. In this lesson, we learn about negative sentences. Look at this sentence. I did not leave the tap open. Notice that the sentence has the word not. This is a negative sentence. Sentences that deny or contradict something are called negative sentences. Negative sentences may also contain the word no or nothing. There are many ways of forming a negative sentence. Let us see what they are. If the main verb in the sentence is a form of the verb be, then to form a negative sentence, we simply add the word not after the verb. Here are some examples. Rama is a doctor. Rama is not a doctor. I am very tall. I am not very tall. Gautam was livid. Gautam was not livid. To form negative sentences in the simple present tense, we add do not or does not before the verb. And to form negative sentences in the simple past tense, we add did not before the verb. Let's look at some examples. I love bananas. I do not love bananas. Karima plays the violin. Karima does not play the violin. Shankar caught a cobra. Shankar did not catch a cobra. In case the verb is made of two words, we put the word not after the first word. Consider these sentences, for example. Manu is eating dinner. Manu is not eating dinner. Wadi will study harder next term. Wadi will not study harder next term. We add do not before the verb in an imperative sentence, like this. Put the flowers in the vase. Do not put the flowers in the vase. Now that we know all about the rules, let's practice a little so that you feel more confident about this concept. Can you transform this sentence into a negative? Diksha wrote a long letter to her aunt. Diksha did not write a long letter to her aunt will be the answer. Did you get that right? Let's try another one. Pooja, water the flower beds tonight. The answer is Pooja, do not water the flower beds tonight. That's all for this lesson. I'll see you again with more questions for practice on this concept.